Over the last few years, I have been able to cultivate a strong relationship with World Balance. I love the people there and they show me love back. They graciously send over their new sneakers and I do my best to feature them in the channels where I am active. Now, these sneakers are something that I got a few months back. Admittedly, this video is quite late, but the Philippines has also been in a lockdown state since then, so I never got quite around to doing an actual full review of them on Brentpro TV, because I still don't get to leave the house regularly to test this out anywhere. So in the meantime, let's get them unboxed here on my personal channel. These are the World Balance City Racers. They come in two colorways, officially named Black and White and White and Rust. Let's unbox the White Rust colorway now and I'll show you the Black and White colorway later. Upon opening up the box, we can see the customary wax paper wrapped around the sneaker. Under that are the World Balance City Racers themselves. I don't know about you guys, but they look pretty badass. And of course, I know what you guys are about to say. They look like the Nike Mars Yards. And I say yeah, that's what makes them so appealing for me. Alright, let's give you a tour of them. The World Balance City Racers are athleisure sneakers that have a fairly slim outline. The uppers are primarily white mesh. The toe area, eye stays, and heel are in a rich brown shallow suede. The liner is brown as well, but in cloth. This midfoot panel and the heel counter are in red man-made leather. The tongue is mainly still white mesh with white laces. There is a patch of suede here with the red World Balance word mark. The webbing accents are red too, along with the heel pull tab. The bounce pad insole is all red with white printed lettering and it's fairly thick. Lastly, there are two hits of reflective material just behind the toe box at both sides of the sneaker. Moving down to the midsole, it's made of a very soft EVA foam. There is no information on the World Balance website what foam is this, but it's pretty soft. Not boost or react levels of soft, but it's way softer than what we've seen so far on the Invictus and Court Legend 2.0 sneakers. It also has this wavy pattern on it with bigger, softer waves going in one direction and thinner, bumpier waves going the other direction. I'm not sure if it's supposed to help with grip, but it's there and it looks nice. Onto the outsole, we have a fairly flat gum bottom with a contoured zigzag ridge pattern. On the heel is the World Balance logo and word mark. And that's it. It's a badass looking sneaker. Here's a look at the other colorway, which is in black and white with yellow accents. I love this colorway as well since it's in Bren Esports colors. Now let's try it on so you guys can see how it looks on feet. There you go, that looks really sporty. It is fairly light on the feet and pretty flexible. Comfort is alright too, with the bounce pad and the EVA midsole being squishy enough to be comfortable, but with enough support that I don't feel wobbly on my feet. Here's a look on feet with the other colorway. This is pretty cool. I'll probably wear this with my Bren Esports uniform once the Philippines opens up to having on-site events again. So that's my unboxing of the World Balance City Racer sneakers. Do you have any questions about it that you would like to see answered in the review? Let me know in the comments. And please do like the video and subscribe to the channel if you would like to see more straight-to-the-point videos like this. My previous video was my unboxing and first impressions of the Newfie Air 75 low-profile wireless mechanical keyboard. Have you seen it yet? Go watch it. It's pretty good. That's it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!